Good evening, everybody. I don't know if I'm really live or not. This is my first time doing this, and I wanted to come up here and introduce myself. So, in my channel, I talk about hair, specifically hair thinning, hair loss, gardening, family, travel. And my channel name is Kietha T. That's Kietha space T. I wanted to come up here so that you all can see who I am. I started this journey about 2 months ago, and it's been quite a ride, I must say. I'm learning an awful lot. I don't know if anybody is on this live. Somebody let me know if you're here. Not quite sure how this works. Is anybody here? Welcome, welcome, welcome if you're out there. It's your girl, Kietha T, and I just wanted you all to put a face with a name. Problem is, I don't know if I'm actually live because is anybody here? Y'all come into the room, talk to me. Trial and error, trial and error. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly or not. Let's see. How do I know if I have anybody on the live? If anybody's out there, somebody help me out.